In this video, you'll learn how to use the functions of Kiox 400C, shown here with a mini remote. To turn your e-bike on or off, press the on-off button on the Kiox 400C. Tap Connect Now on the home screen of the eBike Flow app and follow the instructions to connect your Kiox 400C equipped e-bike. You'll only be able to use all the features of the eBike Flow app with your Kiox 400C once you've registered your e-bike. Use the Mode button on the Kiox 400C to change riding modes. To select a lower support level, press and hold the Mode button for at least 1 second. To select a higher support level, briefly press the Mode button on the Kiox 400C. To switch between screens, briefly press the Selection button on the Kiox 400C. Press and hold the Selection button on the Kiox 400C in the status screen for more than 2 seconds to access the settings. Use the Mode button to move between menu entries. To scroll down, press and hold the Mode button for at least 1 second. To scroll up, briefly press the Mode button. You can customize the status bar of the Kiox 400C in the Settings menu. Press the Selection button on the Kiox 400C again for more than a second to go back. To open the Quick menu, press and hold the Selection button on the Kiox 400C on any screen except the status screen for more than a second. Here, you can reset your ride data, for example. Press the Selection button on the Kiox 400C again for more than a second to return. The Kiox 400C features a built-in USB-C charging port, protected by a sealing cap. This lets you easily charge your smartphone or e-bike light, while riding or even during a break, as long as your e-bike is switched on. Whether and how you can charge external devices with the Kiox 400C depends on your drive unit, the manufacturer and model of your e-bike, and the connected devices. The charging process for external devices is shown by a green checkmark on the charging symbol in the status screen. Navigation for Kiox 400C shows you the way. Precise, turn-by-turn directions reliably guide you to your destination. Junctions are always clear and easy to recognize. With the dynamic screen layout of Kiox 400C, you automatically get the information that matches your current riding situation. This means you no longer need to switch screens manually. You can use your Kiox 400C together with the mini remote, for instance, and control functions on the handlebars using the mini remote. Use the plus or minus button on the mini remote to change the riding mode. To switch between screens, briefly press the Selection button on the mini remote. Press and hold the Selection button on the Kiox 400C for more than 2 seconds to open the settings. Use the plus-minus button to move between entries. You can also adjust the status bar of the Kiox 400C in the Settings menu using the mini remote. Press and hold the Selection button on the mini remote for more than a second to go back. Hold the Selection button on the mini remote on any screen except the status screen for more than a second to open the Quick menu. Here, you can reset your ride data, for example. To switch between quick menus, briefly press the selection button on the mini remote. Hold the minus button on the mini remote to activate walk assistance. Walk assistance helps you push your e-bike more easily. With Hill Start Assist, you can start off more easily on a hill. Place your foot on the pedal so your e-bike knows you're ready to start. Then, press and hold the minus button until you've set off.